Okay, is this visible for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
today we will be discussing regarding how to create tables and or how to draw tables in your Word. Okay. So here in Insert tab, we will have table group and we will have table option also there. Okay, in Insert tab, table option will be there. So go to table. So we'll be having four kinds of ways to insert tables. Okay, one is just drag it and drop it wherever you want, means how many rows and how many columns you want, you can make it. This is one way. This is one method. So you are having total 10 rows and 8 columns. Sorry, 8 rows and 10 columns. This is one method. Okay, this is one method. How to enter data? See here, cursor is there. Just click on that. I mean, enter whatever you want. And if you want to go to the next one, then click on tab. Tab in the keyboard. Okay. So this is how I will enter the data. Suppose if I want here a row or a column, what I can do in between I want. So click on right click on the mouse, go to insert. See here, insert rows above, insert rows below. Okay, so wherever you have inserted the cursor, if you want a row above the cursor, it will be inserted. See here. Okay, and if you want a row below, insert, go to insert, insert rows below. This is how you insert rows and columns if you want in between. No need to delete the entire table. Just use this option if you miss any thing. And if I don't want, if I am having extra rows and extra columns, just go to delete cells. See here, delete entire row, delete entire column. Okay, so I'm selecting delete entire row. What happens is wherever I place the cursor, that entire row is deleted. And same thing here also. Go to delete cells, delete entire row and click on OK. This is how you delete columns and rows. Even you can delete a column. How? Go to delete cells, delete entire column, just click on that. So wherever you place the cursor, that column will be deleted. If you want it back, Control plus Z, undo. And if you don't want, Control plus Y, redo. Control plus Z and Control plus Y. Okay, this is one method. And next, go again to table option and see here insert table. In this insert table, you have to give how many number of columns you want and how many number of rows you want. Suppose if I take by 10 by 10 or 20 by 10. Why I got here? What is the reason? Why I got here? Can anyone answer? What mistake I did?
Sir, because you kept the cursor there.
Yes, I placed the cursor in between the table, so it came here. So what I have to do, Control Z, just make sure the cursor is below. Okay, so again go for that, go table, insert table, so 10 and 20. See, now I got. And can I adjust this lines? I want more space. What should I do? Just drag and drop this. Okay, here it is there. Just drag and drop it. The cell size will increase. Okay, see here this square box is called as a cell. Okay, The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. Got it? The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell. So if I want the cell size to increase, just make this. Just drag and drop it. It will obviously increase the size of a cell. This is one method. And one more. And one more is go to insert table option, draw table, where like normally how you draw, in that way you can draw. See here. So a table is formed. Now I am drawing lines. Usually we won't use this draw table. Why? Because it is time taking. Make sure when you are drawing, you start at one point and end at another point for sure. This is draw table, and there is one more. Go to insert, go to table, and see here quick tables, where already you will be having some template kind of things, means already inbuilt. Okay, you can directly use them. See here, you can edit them. You can edit the titles also. See here, I can change different colors also for this. A design tab will be coming. Once if you select the layout and see here, I can select anything of my choice. Okay, these are called as templates or predefined tables. Yes, Shashank, turn on your mic and ask.
Sir, if we want to add means we can add anything in quick table, sir.
Yes, we can.
Okay,
just
sir.
delete the data and add. Okay, whatever you wish. And if you want more columns or rows, you can, like how I showed before, same thing you can follow. Okay, see here, you're getting. Got it? And even you can change the borders also. See here. Changed or not? So if you want any this thing, lines, some colors, if you are not satisfied with, you can change it. Okay. So in your table, what is your row and what is your column? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are called as columns. And here, vertical representation are called as columns. Horizontal representation are called as rows. Please do remember this. Vertical representation are called as columns. Horizontal representation are called as rows. Okay. And I showed you how to insert rows and how to insert columns, as well how to delete rows and how to delete columns. Okay. Suppose I want heading here. Here I want heading. What I have to do? I want this to be turned as 1. What I have to do? What I want to do, if I want all this as 1, suppose see here, I want this. I don't want lines here. What I have to do? What I can do? Anyone? Can anyone answer? Usually in spreadsheet, you will be having merge cells where it will merge many columns into one. But what about here? What I have to do? If I want one more, I don't want columns here. I will want just one row. What I have to do? Can anyone answer? At least yes or no. Answer that.
No, sir.
Only one answer. Others don't have mouth.
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so okay, fine. Find the answer. I will not tell now. Okay, find the answer. How can I merge the cells? Okay, I don't want here many columns are there, but I want to make it as a one row. I don't want many columns. What I have to do, let me know. Okay, and next, see here. So let me type something. Suppose I want to split this table into two. What I have to do? I want split this table into two. What I have to do? Just go to layout tab. Okay, and in layout tab, or I think it is changed in this one. Let me see where is a split columns is available. There is one option called as split columns. We can use this. See here, layout is there. In this layout, see here, split cells or split table. Two are here. So if you want to split table, just click on that. Have you observed? It's split it into two. Yes or no? Now, again, go to this layout. So if I want to split the cells, just place it and click on split cells. So number of columns to number of rows, one. Okay. See here, in one itself, it has divided it into two. So if you want subcells in your table, then you can use this one. So for that, what you have to do, go to layout tab and click on split cells. If you go to split cells, it will ask, yes ma'am?
So even merge cells option is there, sir.
Yes, I know. In order to merge, you have to. If you want to merge, see, if I want to merge a table, then I can use this. But I asked I didn't ask regarding cells. What I have to do if I want to delete. Merge cells means it will, if I am using any option here, see here, layout, then it will merge. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you use eraser, see here, so if unwanted things are there, then you can delete them. Eraser in layout tab. When this, not this layout tab, the last one. Okay. Got it? And now I splitted this, then how to merge this? I merged this table, but I want to merge this one. What I have to do? What I have to do? I merged, but how? I didn't use merge cells in the layout, but I did. How I did? So whenever you are splitting the cells into two, split table, what I told, just place the mouse and click on split table in layout tab. So if I want to merge, what you have to do is just click on delete in your keyboard. Okay, then it will be merged. Okay, so you have learned how to split a table and also how to merge a table. So to split a table, what you have to do? Go to layout tab and click on split table. One table will be splitted into two. So if I want to merge, just click on delete key in your keyboard. Okay, and if I have to move a table, what I have to do? If I have to move a table, see at the corner there is one point here. So if you just drag and drop it, it will be moved. Just drag and drop it, it will be moved. Okay, even for this also you'll be having. So if you want to move a table, just hold on it and place wherever you want to move it. Similarly for this also, even quick tables will also be moved. It's not like only the tables which we made, even quick tables will be moved. Okay, is that fine? So your chapter how to create tables is completed. If there are any doubts, let me know.